In order to find the equation, we need to find the slope. So first, I'm going to differentiate the equation implicitly. So y cubed minus xy squared plus cosine xy equals 2. So now we're going to differentiate 3y squared dy dx minus y squared minus x2y dy over dx minus y sine xy minus x dy over dx sine xy equals 0. Now I'm going to put the terms that have the dy over dx on the same side. 3y squared dy dx minus x2y dy dx minus x dy over dx sine xy equals y squared minus y sine xy. So now I'm going to simplify this part. Dy over dx times bracket 3y squared minus 2xy minus x sine xy bracket equals y squared minus y sine xy. So now our slope dy over dx equals to y squared minus y x sine xy divided by 3y squared minus 2xy minus x sine xy. Next step, to plug in the x and y values. We already know that x equals to 0, but what is for y? We are able to find the y value by using the original equation. So our point of intersection is at 0, 1. The variables are all solved, so I'm going to find the final slope. Plug in the number. Y1 squared is 1 minus 1 sine 0 divided by 3 times 1 squared equals 3 and minus 0 minus 0. So the slope equals to 1 over 3. The equation y equals mx plus b. Y equals 1 over 3 x plus b. Since the point of intersection is 0 and 1, plug in the numbers. 1 equals 1 over 3 times 0 plus b. B equals to 1. The final answer is y equals 1 over 3 x plus 1. This question is a related raised question. As the question described, the object is a cone, so I apply the formula v equals 1 over 3 pi r squared h. Since there are two variables, I want to get rid of the r, and the r can be written in the form of h. So r over h equals to 10 feet over 20 feet. So the new radius comes to 1 over 2 h. Apply this new r to the equation. V equals to 1 over 3 pi 1 over 2 h squared h. V equals to pi over 12 h cubed. So next step, I want to differentiate the equation implicitly. dv over dt equals to pi over 4h squared times dh over dt. dv over dt equals to pi over h. For this variable, the height equals to 8 feet. So I plug in the 8 times the rate. The surface is falling at the rate of 1 over 2 feet per hour. So it's negative 1 over 2. So the dv over dt finally equals to negative 8 pi cubic feet per hour. Since the question indicates that the water is leaving the reservoir, so we can ignore this negative sign. So the final rate comes to 8 pi cubic feet per hour. So the answer is B.